Trigonometry Part 3, continuing using trigonometry functions, sine, cosine, tangent. So the figure below represents a pilot that is looking at an airport from a plane. The angle of depression is 29 degrees. So you see the angle of depression is 29 degrees, and this 29 degrees, I want you to immediately put it here so we know this acute angle. We can work this triangle here. We see a right angle. That tells us that this side is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. Remember, the two sides that form the acute angle will be adjacent and hypotenuse. This is opposite. Okay, now the two sides we want to work with would be the opposite and the hypotenuse. Why? Because we're given 10,000 for the opposite side and we have to find x. Those two sides. Okay, so which trig function uses opposite and hypotenuse? Okay, so let's look up here, opposite and hypotenuse. That's going to be sine. Alright, so immediately we can write the trig function sine the acute angle, 29 degrees. Get your degree symbol in there, and that's equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite is 10,000 divided by x, comma x. Menu 3 won that. Finish the problem, please.